No.
Hi, I'm Krista Weaver-Reedchester, and this is Sketch. She is going to be 16 weeks old at the end of the week, and she currently knows how to sit, beg, high five, and come on command, while she also can walk on a lead. I want to show you the tricks twice so that you know that she's actually doing them, and not just, doing one after the other, by accident. And then I will show you her walking on the lead also. So let's get started. Sketch. Sketch. Get it. Let's get rid of that toy for a few minutes. Sketch, come. Good girl. Good girl. Hey. Hey. Sketch. Punch. No. Sketch. Punch. Good girl. Sketch, come. Alright. Sketch, come. High five. Oh, good girl. But I think you're just doing that on purpose, so we're going to have to do that again. High five. Girl. Sketch. Come. Sit. Good girl. Alright. Ooh. Sketch, come. Sketch, come. Good girl. Sketch. Sketch, come. Sit. Girl. Sketch. No, this ain't playtime. This is learning time. Come on. Sketch. Sketch. Punch. What are you eating? Sketch, punch. Good girl. High five. Hey. No. High five. Sketch. High five. Crap. No. Alright, let's try this again. High five. Sketch. Hey. Come here. Sketch. Come here. High five. Give me a high five. High five. Good girl. High five. No. Hey. Sketch. High five. No, that's wrong. Come here. High five. Good girl. Alright. I think that was twice for everything. So now we are going to show you how she walks on a lead. Hey, Sketch. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Let me put your lead on. Let me put your lead on. Yes, let me put your lead on. Sketch, come on. Ouch. Ow. Threw up in my butt. Ow. Sketch, come on. Why are you being like this today? Okay, Sketcharoo. Come on. Pick it up. Better stand up. Okay. Walk up. Walk up. Good girl. Walk up. Oh, that's a good girl. I'll turn the slide on real quick. Walk. Sketch. Stop. Stop, baby. Stop. Please, do like you're supposed to do. Walk. Sketch. Come on. Hey, this way. Walk. Sketch, walk. Good girl. Turn around. Walk. Good girl. You're not done yet. Come on. You're not done. Come on. You're not done walking. Come on. Good girl. Ouch. Walk, walk. Good girl. Good girl. This way. Sketch. Walk, walk. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, you are. You finished strong, didn't ya? Yes, you did. Here you go. All kinds of treats. Here you go. So you've just witnessed my cat doing her tricks. She wanted to play more than practicing her tricks, but there you have it.